Yeah, ne. You know
how we do it. We back, man. We back. It's a full house today. It's a full house.
Yo,
today,
if you know you got.
Yeah. Yo, Tshivenda Music is fully loaded, man. It's fully loaded. We have almost everyone in the house, man.
I heard even your nephew has a kid. Andile Mpisane.
Oh, Andile Mpisane.
This guy, what kind of uncle are you?
So never kule arabidziwi. Arabidziwi what are chelede.
What kind of uncle are you?
Arabidziwi what are chelede.
Baronde mari mani toxins na yorani wi. Bakele kabare wi.
Profa chifo hiti ya mini. Arabidziwi.
Hey, naona namusa ko do pick up wa pala ni ya. Na uzibona zori. Ugo dojiwa una different to come and fetch a baby. And come to fetch one.
Chirizi. Una different.
Not different. One whole ani.
Kwa mwana wa watu wana yako. Ndinyi. Ndikono
like all I want to push on that premise.
Rolls Royce.
I know one day.
This one madu mangano.
I go push on premise.
Pako push on kan
Premier.
Then go to roll. I go push you afala and then as you got jena ne fala ampa kali golo yeah na mi orengo mna zori odia vari mini zunia store the shop ezunia watu ba spatch ngolori watu ndi choda na zvigaunu zvavewe zvinonga maguru kombara odia ngazibijama za night
zaone zila
tips to vari zvinonga ngazibijama nikidorenga shoponi shoponi ngori kuna different cabin ka PJs na bijama.
Okay.
So bijama ndile na wana mtu wako soko bvela shoponi ambara dilao ndo ngori na 6 years lisa kubiwi. Wala ngori ara ko findi guru ngela zino fudilo lo jipo lo chenuluwa. Niro ngana ri ihiti ngato wangoto ohamura
lechena mutaba nichena mashana mutaba.
Nikolo ko hamura mara. Tumo ko ban ko hamura mara. So nduto ngari na jia ile li gaunu na li farana ri tunodozo ko visa mtoto. So you understand about chiri kombera ori una watu vane abongoja yo dara zuzu wako suspend ori watu songodana zi PJs na zi gown da unazi go gown ndo zubona ori heli ndilele na lawazi na vane vachivua macho vadzura dubani baba sekele bari abo kwambi
uko sori wa mu
alikuwiwi
uko sori wa
yeah as long as you
ndila wana breakfast in bed
no ndi abalo kado da jabo renga lofo ndela ara diba buroto wabo kota na bapawe men gena do kota na bapawe
do kota na bapawe
yeah buroto ne
babasi gira
buroto ngawati baba stoka buroto ada wo duba ne to mawo mai nchi buchaya
anga maraski
yeah nchi buchi ane ngasiri nikonoti yena wani ngoto
aushenga lupanga
buroto tsiwa
ndomwata
athenga lupanga lwa sala
lupanga zvuno aluchiri lupanga kona na
bapawe
ndomwata
yeah how abokota na bapawe I don't know if he's still alive or not, but that guy
so Andile Mpisane
right to deliver more
hapana manganazo wa cusp yo wa hey mafungoni anodhares Taishera tu Andile Mpisane una mwana zvino
that guy the way
una mwana ungana
not the way la fatale ngayo ti la shikona ne kosi ati jiganga afale kwa we
ndi mumini
tikudhuri ni mumini
kamba luambo
ndi mzuru
mzuru
ndi mwana wako ngomwana marai money talks isina shere day pomula sanne sankle ndisingobidzwa ophindu ka baby born day hayi
baby shawono ya
afina shinto
oy manga dira tani akoro wana kwaula
one fact abantshelanga manje
I'm bad.
abantshelanga manje
I'm bad.
benzo ngicwa brand mood wami uthi hey ngicwa brand mood nje
I'm pleasant wakho
mfethu I'm pleasant I'm pleasant mfethu I'm pleasant benzo ngifaka isiphandla ngingena lapho nje wenza lana mfethu
hayi bakubhalela
mara bakubhalela Tshivenda Music is packed man
and the other one nabana futhi ndi
Rhihana man and AsapRocky ufifi ngwana wona ndi out
hayi nete ngotona
ula mwana wako mutshaka social media mara okosene
asena kumincha ndiyo ndikomba chinjerere akomwincha hey nikonkanga akomuvisa
who is your producer
akomuvisa hola mwana wako postiwe asiwa Rhihana obana mwana zwezwino
ngagona ndichikhala na mwana ngochimwe chingo baba na mwana basiziyambe naona ako jia 2-3 months 4 months adariliza dina mwana naona kon reveal una mwana hola mwana already ono bana
3-4 months
yeah kobot
so Rhihana na AsapRocky bana mwana zwino wa out
aswa Chris Brown
ini yo faro ini
the ways
that is Jane Marati yeah obana mwana yeah man people but go beba
I think Tshivenda wona pregnancy trend of ana Rhihana island your trend ati
yeah Natasha na ichi trend but ione
Natasha
Natasha wewe utamaka scheme
hayi trendela this is ofi nifino duma body no duma chitatancha no fedzi
no duma ngori na chitonga fi koi zomuwela khoso una mwana koi khoso zomuwela khoso no duma ngazo
odzira majita odiasekele khoneni achiri
koto khoso zomuwela khoso asapa no renga burodo khoso
mara tangalo neti alungela mwambisa yalisa kodo mutramliso hayi yalisa kodo ezoko pira majita nesokori bendo mwambisa muno mara ngo ntenda esvinga ngwambisiwa
mara unathumba usingoliwa
hangwambiswa ngofamini uzokofi mara ndo mufara mabana no mufara
ore ndimula mchura kale ore ndo ita
logo 18 yapo
habe
orisia shu na PC
omuna be legend songongo zuri
bana no ifala swiki zori we hadi
omuna rinerikisana riti uri uthuma akabo B
akabinga
omuna ndikale akothoma wela ndi legend
legging with vamurao
hayi hadi levdini udiba chitofi
shadow kana shadow
nema ndiro wawa kumuzaka midonchene izi ana rogo
mara omuna uzva udiba chitofi
andro ndimi
ndikudzidzisa
nema nofanga ruvanga rogo
hayi
andro nofanga nema
ndimi nandro
nema ndimi
unethi legend ndimtu
Evan, when episode they say last week,
omuna wa mu legend
you went deep on the
omuna or break it down uri chitwa sho kerekena chigubui chirwa cha ndzunguruwe ngita
ndobona na Chris Brown osenda message ka Rhihana pa na Rhihana congratulations mbozo mwana so wao osenda message osenda message uri Evan at least uri hey AsapRocky
zomari Chris ozamesa zodito konda uri zobaraka Chris kana
hemuna
batu bali chana ti batu bali chana
ini niwa ngumbuzo ri bari mbudzisi ini bachina thoma
none hoya buseyi nani yone ngasipe nibuse nyapa na ribuse hoya buse
raso kana Thora
abuse hoya buse nani buse nani yone ringa baba rasuka venda ngazibara muchidzi Josephine
makarina hey ufiwa
ai pele
makeup asina makeup
ngiro wafuna dzita muthu
wa mashogizi ulaona rublaje ndachanuka wallahi
ai lani nepe
abe ngabo rizona thawo singwambesa ufuthi mini
marina divaringo abe ndombudzaini zvabudi before chapaka zvidhani uri kerekeni yave weni wane hodhara vathu phanda zviduro zvangeno zvisina vathu vanji uri noti ndo vadikoni
arina zvisenzese vathu vafumakadzi ndonozirisa phanda
so kerekeni yavo vafumakadzi vote mbode vadzwana vafunzi yange
zvokonda nge ndava kunyangwa ri vafundi tamsi vadzoita plan
hey une wati yemufunzi inobva kasini yange
ndazothi 10 years dori inini murawo hawa laka vari singwambele party
michino nani bona biyo
no koba mara there's so many things zinokuita ya body thoma achijava chipantsoza na mina zvinonoma mfunzi kamba tangana yanga bomia abanna baululu bari papa
vakubiza tanganemo
hono utoba ni murawo kamzinga ngwaro 2 win
egeli ndikomuri mia ngavene vangavara 50 something years vakubiza papa mwana ene hatufara 40
vari dedi vachiveni vari wana mafara
ndavi yandaona mia ngava kuri papa kameni geli ngavati yemumpa mandarisori
worst thing nione weta minute nione wo mubeba kugidima nakareka sikuri ariye kubadimo ndikomba ndobona mumwe wa mfunzi
mara okay amapungo adzikarekedza dzobvisa madhimoni tongaroveramba ngazvo mamuna uri mapungo adzikaredza madhimoni
wewe uchiwa
ndione mara kana sione
ndiko hanedza wewe uchiwa basadzipidzi usawe vanna
voraso vari mapungo ndione mara asimtu wakereke ava asimtu wakereke amadhimoni
ela mapungo chera rumelo rito muri madimoni ave I think the spiritual mura jirana spiritual
ndikwamba arame ndizondaisa 100,000 kerekeni ngorofika musi papa bori mini yashede zinondari mapungo papa ari vamba wani papa achashuma ndienda itundurura mura wanishumera
atri papa vadori nande mandana nande ndirabela
papa
mandana kotsi
nantanga
risuwa wanta wa papa
yemudivana
risuwa muzimu
yene kuniswane mudivana
nimbanondra ngaine mune willingly abungoni foster marani kufungari ningaita neyaskanari
kuzo ndiye 100,000
no ndotsweliwa under false pretense but papa ndoluzori mnena nini ndirabela mudzimu sina
mara shede ndoipapone
mara ndarabela the way ndatori mudzimu ava respond mara to respond
hango respond simuzori chere la
azvakapawa yamuri
talking about 100,000 okuyamba ATM is called the Dominican game
zikuinga zveyo zoti uri ari njingobvisa
neunonorengana takuiti uri nichitobvisa munikona bvisa ninge nomuzori kerekeni una chipaza
munikona game
mani nikudzi kerekeni una chipaza una shopo una bri stand una the restaurant una mini zvote komona so nina ndara ni withdraw na renga
ndikombori kerekeni una game lori munikona ndibugai
azibva kereke izvo
una imwe watinopfi ifinyila kuti j nyinyiso tonga lati asiya pano asiya okay risira asiya pano ngori ngari kwamba ri Nigeria ndichira asiya pano ndikwamba asiya South Africa so ela uti utonga ikudzina ya mission zvi u expose
ngombe
you expose
ya kwambori arana problem rani ndiambulori nani dubala conference richibva conference ni roswara buka hodera rabuka vasidzana vadha vajaiva kusikote apurina video dzavo
hai ospozwa ngamanda ospozwa blind ke la thiko mo sponsor uko rape kana uko jena kama funga udzekani na bathu ba kerekeni yawo bene ba believe khaye uri mini
abakurumupa
ndikotsi yawo hai pamwazana bo phone bamba uri hoitia so mini then bone abokhazo then bakunyuvula mulandu
mara ola okay
rika era ine gender based violence in serious ikosokora serious ngamanda zvino mushumo
abari ngatenderana ti nawanori home
no mara
nga chalede ndeti nayo ngechipinga zvembori ndo rape
mara she has a right to go and say she can do that
reakhalelana tini zvembori ngori eno omtu ngechipinga ndarani
expense yacho daresa
ukomba
ukombura ngoya we oyu
ukomba ngo
yawe
not ngoya we busy ukomba ngo kurungamanda ndi khulusa una zwithu zwine zvaiteya muthu ngacho chipinga angava ova ana influence or ova somewhere or ova kusitokana chipinga after that or ronopera something I discover hey nenda kuzhunga ari apala nando
ndo popa
mazina wanori hey ndimwe line khulunga
kana nanonaka matsinga
yes
mara kana avako vona ngari kamadekwa na ela tsunga ana ndinonaka achivuma chokona ri otona out of Deva Brown.
So I disagree. No, man, they don't expose them to the so because
no, Mara.
Ubana under position in Farao in an expector.
Una position of yes.
Yeah. So I'm a vascular. I bet ne to do one bar rape in a issue of phones exposed.
It yeah. Yes.
You know, to be two different.
So different.
Yeah. So
Chinepe changa achieve shisha.
Rape. This machine. I always like.
Yes.
Don't go that rape lightly and then people don't know what to repose or kuma.
Already.
Don't want to let me video ela out mdzimu ikono chonovera sulukhani. Ano wibona.
Ndabona ufanswa mtu dzana kusheda bia ka Belgravia. Ipio.
Akara mdzana odini.
Ngamrasunuka. Don't ndibone. Ngamrasu.
Niko far up like what Raso is saying and that's because all I'm to all law kakano there in busy.
Concern I am because the smokers one, can the girlfriend one,
can the man
one for as long as we're
I end go consent I am busy no.
Yeah.
You know it. I consent to come.
Consent. Come contenders you know. Asingori Aringote. Namse mu mara.
Apila atila tuko soko chonovera. Mutu nkomo.
Namse mu mara 10 years.
Iko narula.
Asari
Mara ndo budisa mbra. Ala no wako for that. They could have stopped the whole thing.
Mara beba poni kwapfa. Ngufa sokulera ishiri mini. Namsi no mara 10 years. Asari narwa. Nifarwa.
Nanga musimia nanga kabasa kufuna.
Yes.
No ripa ini.
So zvikambori namsi muntu okamwa in such a way that mwana mozwa wrong to akasipe consent.
Baba butanje la bathu.
Na itezula zvoka.
Baba butanje.
Because hala majitala ne ako for that. They could have done something to stop that. But I felt like when we're gonna send it to our friends, which is I think the issue in your direction these days. Come on. But yeah, man, it happened. They said the video that fuck it. They were eating up like.
Hey man, we are you know on this show we are always against gender-based violence, man. Gender-based violence, man. We are all raised by the mothers, and we all have, and even some of us we have wives, we have girlfriends, and we treat them as queens. You get what I'm saying? So, gender-based violence.
Talking about queens.
It's not.
Did you see Rimakazi Orobiwange Chisanyama Yamanskral? The guy or the whole what Mutiwane. Or the kumharaza like mana mina kumtazungebonaye. Then what happened is the guy left. There's bounce.
Yeah.
The guy left. Actually, babuya una babiri zino badabachigidi kamukuro. Badimanda phone, bamjera phone. There's no need actually pojo kashishabela kazi dancer zawe. That guy shot a bullet. Come on. Even though I'm wrong too. But my question in now, Mr. Raso, you can contest on that. Issa, you know about that. Oh, we got Issa Matthews. When you get to a gig, Thora knows. You know. Nikiswa gigini, you get inside. Na zura pay too near. Aram suna picking. Wanna picking in the I wanna the access. Kayo. As an artist, you're supposed to be secure.
Yeah, it's like a VIP. Like a VIP so kind of session.
I don't understand. Zodanu suge une worry as artists it was way too exposed to the public. And the worst thing she was supposed to perform I think earlier on, I don't know what time, but they kept on moving the time which is this most of na wanore arade bonu mudu perform 9 person perform 12 ara was no koya on just what was ori or lie as Makazi.
Yeah.
There's more people that want, but those have Makazi performed? No. Then they will pay and go inside. Come on. So they're trying to use her as a bait. But now they use her as a bait for people to come in. Now she get robbed. And come on. No, I think come Kuro.
All the first up to and stuff like that. Makazi at the stage she's not a stage any other artist like Thoma.
Yes. She's major. She's big.
She arrives
Yes.
to the place.
It should be protected environment.
She get ushered
Yes.
to a VIP place.
Did you hear what I said?
Or not? Let me finish.
They escorted you
She
when
get
you arrive at the
ushered
gig.
to- Unless, because the artist will tell you that, no, I'm fine, I'm still outside.
Yes.
Right, yeah.
Yes. And oh wait, if she's outside, it's not our responsibilities.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because when she arrives,
Yes.
we
Yes.
send people to say,
Yes.
I'm here.
I'm under another nazo.
Yeah.
That comes to that, no, I'm still okay, I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come in.
Which means that she's okay.
So
we don't care.
She had a performance or she was supposed to perform A-Reece.
Yeah.
This is management to Makazi.
Yes.
No.
Makazi that's charger. Who charger knowing I'm going to perform. If I perform at 11,
Yes.
she knows then people will be there to see Makazi at 11. We charge her because of that.
Yes.
I perform at 5.
Yes.
So there's
She
no-
charged because of,
we
yeah.
charge her express-
Ngoraro.
So management will Makazi will agree. Have Makazi perform at
More
8.
fair not the wood.
So when conditions to say, okay, if it's 8 and it's now you say 9 o'clock,
Ufuna botuwa kana baita something.
this amount, then that's the management staff.
Botuwa.
It's not for-
They
Bofeira.
signed the wrong contract.
Bofeira. Bofeira.
It is alleged.
You know what?
Salary-
Namzirina loyara. Iko kuza mafungo wote. It's alleged. It's alleged.
You see? Alleged. You know what? Like, these people will always sue us because they know we have lawyer.
It's alleged.
We have lawyer in our crew.
Yeah.
We have lawyer in our crew.
Hey, it's alleged, right?
It's alleged.
Allegedly,
You can, yeah.
she was
Yeah.
supposed to perform early.
Yeah. So marandizo zori makazi Oscar makazi uko jianga that guy otageta end.
Yeah, he says
if it's a robbery, it's a robbery. Someone can get here. I was
not here.
Mama's boy call you. Hey, Mama's boy, Mama's boy sensitive.
The
good luck, Mama's boy. So Mama's good. Good luck. Couldn't even fool me. Mama's boy no fool me. No fool. The good luck. The good luck.
So talking about that, guys.
Yeah.
I sorry. Worry, there is one thing.
Yeah.
When a man divorce, the woman ndomwana akujiva marwa niti kubuya rumwe, she becomes 16 again, and the man becomes the most demanded. He becomes the heat on the street. So it looks like Minnie's ex-husband, Baba, he just leveled up the bar.
Mara ola muna obasokore ukofasa ola msizana.
Hey,
He was just dancing. I was only got.
they were even sitting together in the couches.
Yeah.
But they're together.
Hey.
We never
I-
knew.
Now you're filming a story.
Allegedly,
Allegedly.
at the by the papers,
Yeah, the
and the
papers.
bloggers, where they're saying, the guy is memorizing.
Now you're building your foundation, man.
So that guy, after the whole saga, Yamini Dlamini, the divorce and stuff, he went to the club,
Have fun.
just have fun. There was a girl, but obviously,
Prettier than me.
if you're spending more than any guy in the club or more than expected, you attract Mato. Mato attracted. So that guy, he attracted
you
some
attack
stuff.
the delicious.
We don't know who you attract.
Durable.
You can, the delicious. It can be any gender, right? Because we are living in the South African world, people. We are living in the South African world.
We have gender.
You can attract any gender. Okay. So that guy did that. He attracted any gender.
And the gender didn't rise.
The gender did the gender thing. The gender thing, the gender rise everything.
Man, don't ban our
No, amapungo. Okay. Mapungo aneri ngatobutsa Ramira ndiori. Arari zvino usongori a divorce yawe kadziva in progress.
On hold.
In progress, not on hold. On hold zomozoyoima. In progress zomozoti kadziya phanda. In progress ola munna okakangeya ya labuni item aba funny.
Opesero yangadeni kana zogumena.
Namso yangadeni
zvakukeya. Dzinidi dzikazvitodheya uservice. Kumbona. Ini ndingangomuzori because the divorce process ndingalichorenga protochipazani.
Lofo ya rengiwa sasku.
Mara na varamira yabo no vangarita. Tara
varamira varusha. So there's no need. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, there's no need. Yeah, man. There's no need.
So I think the only thing that got that guy to be a video trend because he's in public now because one minute
he's in the public eye.
Before minute we didn't even know that guy. I think that guy, what he can do now, the best thing for him, go date girls who are not even on the
known.
You get what I'm saying?
Under the red bar.
Yeah, he can just do that, man, and just
under carpet, one of the good days.
Not under carpet, Mara.
But whatever we do,
not it girl. Mama's going to do it girl. Asapa, the poster. Only poster for Jola. The farmer, mama, I'm ringing that. I can't that no poster. It's no poster, baby. It's no poster. Now
Gilly, you're lying.
You know, it's girl.
Share them your pack. I'm share them your pack. We have few interviews that we're going to share with. We have few interviews that we want to share with you guys. You need to know about the latest release that they have on the show.
Yeah, latest release like Toya released. Yo. Somebody to this world.
Yo, where? They find that. Toya released.
Okay.
Somebody to this world.
Unawana Toya
unawana.
Odisa muya shangu.
Yeah.
Orisha rengeze.
Yeah, Toya says unawana.
Toya she fall within the LGBTQ plus
normally China
yo I can't read those
LGBTQ plus society.
You made the society. I can tell you right now.
Society as a club, man. Don't do a venda views of society.
Society a club.
As a club, man. As a club, man. Society. Not that one. The society. Yes. She fall within the same bracket of people who believe in the same thing and who are trying to make sure that that thing. Not comrade, man.
Comrade. Yeah, comrade.
Street Talk Podcast Society.
Yeah.
Or community. We fall in that.
Kitoko 6 years yo theba busy. Bokota the club, bokota mini bakozamori barengena the tape away uri mdura chibego udo akodolanga libula the tape away. Yeah, every 6 years I decided I full sec. Let me sue this kid.
Talking about chitoko fera. Which if you can't remember no fuma kazi nazo bana chimwe na chimwe. Ukwamba tape away.
Aye. It's not only to tape away, mara. Ndingo hiyo, ndiye fun. Aye, ndingo. Aye, mara, ndingo azone. Aye, aye. Nduni, emuna. Ndiko vorara vanduni mama nabashi. Soko vora vanduni. Ndabona TV zistende, the free Jimin. Usdibera gamers is free.
Don't worry. Mwananga, nduri kana no marai. Nathona chun, nathona
Ndingo.
Mara nichisteza echo chimwe chimwe. Unatepa we ine mwana mwe. Una watu bene abanayo ni.
Wewe univanika yo. Watepa we. Vanika ya.
Naona watepa we.
Tepa we bezinduni.
Tepa wena mini ya pela zwimwe.
Tepa wena na mini na
nguvo da
na nguvo
the mantu. Vari mini
aranda.
Hai, vari mini Karamba. Vari mini akitwa kama kabebe. Kala kabe. Hoza tepa wadura kala kabe. Hai.
Ara hoye pezi
manini aziwo zabakala kabe.
Zioni
manini
inudhiwa ke manini
timngano wanga ndithora
marare mengo hela ndhiwa rombo za manini asidivina zori rijiga gai karachi gai
owasiyo tsiri nasone
na baro diwa zori una bridge yo wala manini
mara vachiri femini
no kaka ara ni
namfuma kazi yes namfuma kazi ne
vakomba tepa we
usitepa we ara awa tepa we pezi ne ivani kai usiyamba mne ndari ivani kai kama ivani kai
akorenga tepa we
ivani kai tepa we ivani kai
ara asa amburu mlenjo metu ufunde yai arto de jidina kana renge muwe
ara chidamburu mugai wopela chiko khakara
ndichipenga
mani nibuze uright taizo no mara pentam 1
ndakafo
ai
ngombo
rega A7
ndoresa kuresa mandoresa
rega A7 inofara pentam 1 pentam 2
paniko khakara baby mugai wopela iko khakara
no mara pentam 1
ene mureko una
no mara pentam 1 arantsa fezo pentam ni 1 mini ndichipinga cha musi computer
richikotoda
the 500 megabyte the 500 megabyte
na the floppy
floppy is not floppy 500 megabyte ya memory card iti yaba ikeda na room divider ya ichikolanga track tsono mana mthora
azidive nari megabytes o khera ko mara
ngibona memory card ina ifara
ya megabyte dizema
ngibona okay
kwa data
terabyte
ariseze ngibona megabyte ila memory card ina ifara ngoba chipinga cha musi richikwamba ngawo ngasipinga zwakale ngoba uchibva phala mnangoni zwachifana mzingobvisa sofa leima ngalurumba isize ya memory card icho chipinga
okay
so zvinomala mutadzi ane wari ndi pentam 1
ari vhekenga short
alright utori slow da suzo
yes
no rwavi rikufuka badala ri 1 ritiko dor 2 ramadibona mwana mtsuko kuti mwana tifokasa rafaka chenja kala zinogoda guroi
mara shout out to Tshivenda man
shout out
to him man
shout
out to Kasper Semenya as well
and shout out to Andile Mpisane mdurwa men gay
Andile Mpisane ndombale ngodumandi adinge yange
amara mosogi songoro men gay
tingambe sizondiga mara Andile Mpisane ndondia ninge mwana shout out
ndona ku stadium luzinoko volleyball
shout out man Royal AM
yeah man
number 3 and number 2 and number 4
do you know they used to also I think that the first team we loser to the husband was called Royal Eagles
yeah
and yayo matora bisandi rikunga mbanga vele ti
uromba chingwangwangwa
joking ati dura anaro ngwangwa he just mentioned a couple of languages about 5
Toka chingondo so
yeah but what I like about him
Toka chingwangwangwa baba yeye chingwangwangwa hapa jema baba toka chingondo nyana so
no numna so men gile ngia awara mbwe anasa kunubva ukona chingondo
amazanga zvinoiza chingondo skan aningatobva na shava mudzi
ula chingondo
chingondo
mozifuna tizoko yaba urwa chingondo
chingweko rwa chingondo zvinozoseri
gurungurungunding apa hinde morning
we told you showing the musine is pegged dead don't be surprised
yo pakasa Master KG
don't be surprised
Master KG mabudzi yawo panda yemela mabudzi
azikona zezo
Unazonofisa plant. Bari mina la
plant wangaromela ni.
Omena.
Baplanta the bagobera mbeu thoni yabo. Yamera mabudzi mpanjeni wako.
Ori mama siboya mambuza wako dimela azvona.
Ini mabuza no. Akwini ngoy. Amera.
Ria mtomela zitula zo.
Awa akwini ngora akashitiko. Mabungo amera. Amera.
Amiyo chani.
But you guys resign.
Hey, wala sikor oru resign.
Oh yeah. Margo mabudzi amamas boy adomerani ngori. Zvafana musorara. Madhi achisa chachiwasi afalani. Afira chikuyerera nevala kapanda yawe. Ndrundila namsiyapo
banjana yabe.
Ndila otini yodzura yani.
Utamba mchindu fike.
Yari bari budzi.
Usiroza blind. Thora December yote. Ingasipira Thora samudalubiri.
Okay, ari zimudzi. Hai. Ai, uma kutamba ngoma deno kodomukumba la.
Ngotamba ore abeshinyama.
Ange mama's boy. Ndiyafula mdilune wamangalo dzura yani madhe koherera achisedza uri mvura ingona ngapa. Pasina mvura yona ntange ndazitavani. Utobona zvino madhe koherera chitsa. Niwana ora mutaputapu.
Ndinathanzi ne anditosa dozori ido kono kwamba na musina yeshi ngangambero ri aizonda kwamba sizongori
ara ini kozo ini not constituencies wange chanu njonjo thoma bure mwana chibachi wase fela mabura ngani
producer. Guys, we are back. We are back.
Ni wana noni ya matekela machena. Ape mwanza kufechi panga hula chirwa chitamwe. Na mapampasi na ma newspaper ako rwa chitamchira kama.
Ape ndimuimbe ndefuti ya.
Munango give up.
Ndimuimbe ndefuti. Ndine mwimbo ya iteka sini ya.
Wari okuwa mateke kongo performa ngawe. Andunya ya kutamba. Timuna deko nangende kupira. Ela chiko rwa chitamwe chiri pa. Pampasa solar katekela rembo. Warachi bo. Esachi bo bashi ori. Achi bo ambara ori.
Mbona ngozori ndani record za reality.
Ndio record gozo.
Yanga
Mtinda towa. Ndo liswa.
Hey mara before. Azurichezo. Toso itemi.
Toso kwambori mara toso wapenga. Chowa stage. Charani ngondo neta. Chana ngoli cha music ngo prepare mentality. Mboro changa chapedza vege ntimbiri charore.
Adauya free.
Chara de wo account huni cha wechera I'm back. Book me again.
What do you mean?
Ore uneta unazona kuma solve zvori mbi.
Ani cha music.
Oneta na muzika.
Angori cha muzika ori koya awela. Zo zvambori ubo chidwe ko jena tinga weekend. Chadzura 1 week cha unozori ha.
Ndomera futi zvino.
Chomera.
Haima.
Tosone. Mara ndombuza. Ka album yo ya tosi yote.
Album. Chidi.
Isa utosa kana album.
No.
How many those songs that he released? It's not an album.
It's not an album.
No, there's a couple of songs that were released.
Unless because he said he's going to release in July the album.
No, can you Google there? Because I think he released an album. Okay, he got so many songs. Okay, but okay, out of all his singles, only the one that I found Raso dancing on top of Dasbini. Oh,
Mlando. Mlando Zamborni. Hey.
Raso.
Jamba history mabana basho.
Ndiri mara kwa Raso.
Kakaya mapungo.
The history.
Dance simbona fizo zemini. It's a fact.
Ndikare. Vomu java vominimini ko jaiva.
Vobujo mujera chijava.
Vobujo. Riko jaiva.
Oh, wena ko kaka. Vobujo mujera noruwa. Rikwamba so kwaito. Nanti bano ko diange. Hara ndongo ngwange.
Bomdu
Voma paputi sesifuri barimbi.
Bonyi.
Credit crew.
This guy's old. Credit crew. You know Credit crew?
Rekomba.
Credit crew. You order Miesta. Man, we're talking about new school.
Yeah, this cool.
Yeah, hey,
Bonyi, Kadami, Credit Crew,
or Damiesta.
Na mic wango vangor wochu.
Those songs, you don't even know what they're saying, but you can
Fiesta.
Yes, you will be like, yes.
You know, remember when Tickets dropped Fiasco?
Fiesta.
And the next thing we're talking,
It was a mistake.
and then yeah, and we were singing to the next stuff. La la la. Then my papa, Machel comes. Shake it, comes in. And like, okay.
Comes with the energy.
We were singing that stuff. La la la. Comes Machel Baba. Yeah, Machel comes with the. You know, we're singing about God or we're singing about something normal. Like, eh? Out of the blue, the song is gone. Eh, Machel, rest in peace, Machel, legendary.
Ndorubidza kwaito yakumuzori. Kwaito yakuma ibvagai. Zvino kwete yamika kwete yakuma. Udorubudza.
Yeah, Rina Thora. Not Thora Bengu.
So abena ntutoso rume kwaito.
Mapenga.
Is the kwaito whatever.
No, we know Mapiano and what is.
Yeah.
They are relatives, ne? This is what happens. Kwaito is here, and you have your neighbor that has pit bulls, but you can't visit them.
Oh, but yeah. Okay.
You know, you want to visit, they have a party next door.
But you can't go there.
But you can't go there because they have a pit bull standing at the gate.
You can't.
You see? Yeah, that's Kwaito and Mapiano. Similarities. It's like having a neighbor that always say, Sawana! Sawana kunjani? You know. Now you don't understand me. Because you don't raso imanta adas bini. Ilale guru ilale ngona ako jaivo farera falani.
Mara kundu zao kundu.
I was in the beat.
Muna mungapa kundu za azan. Ndiko hana raso nzone ndiko hana ne. Uramlando.
I just told
Ndiko hana. Kundu.
The groups you don't know.
Kundu.
Yeah, man.
But the funny part when we see Oskido wearing a makeup and dancing in land, I'm like, Malume.
You know, and you're not getting the
Toso asungoripenge romuza achi wangera
Lama Mishijola.
wala emon net bantu ngazi yami yazi bantu yapenge nantu man.
Hey, so Master K juru koto da ora drop album ngora rusukisa
Master
$500 million.
Ngaipiyo dimbo
Nga Jerusalem.
Oh, Jerusalem.
Mara ni kwamba sote Jerusalem really made a lot of money.
Yeah, it did. In terms of bookings, it did a lot of making money.
Even royalties.
It make royalties because of because
But I remember I'm not gonna mention a name. There's a guy there's a guy who once sold so many albums. One album was selling for 150.
Mara, I think Master KG.
You know how much he was getting 5 rand from 150.
That's what I'm saying. I think Master KG, we can rate him as one of the artists Banaboita Shedenjinga royalty. We can rate him and comes number 1. Because
how is right. Isa, you know the truth.
Yeah.
You know, a person can still have a big song, but you find that royalties are not going directly to the person.
Even Makwa, I was watching Makwa this morning.
Thank
Makwa and Nkabase Dubai. Okay, he gets gets royalties,
but they are not.
But
through the labels, so
yes,
which is the label
Thank you.
That's how the business goes. We won't give you everything.
No,
we can't give you everything.
That's if you doing it through the label. If the like MT, he once said when he went to Samro when things were going south. He went to Samro only to find out that Hoshima Humapelo is a written author on the roll up.
Yes.
And you know the sad part? When he got signed, the song, he got signed with the song.
He got signed with the song.
And
the song
was
released 7 times before it blew up. 7 times. Never gave up on the 7 times.
So that's what I was trying to say. So you might find with Master KG Jerusalem, but he, our producer, he likes to come in the camera because he thinks he's yellow book.
With Master KG, he went and signed with that overseas.
No, he didn't. The company signed.
Listen. I think this comes back to what I've said on my profile on whatever social media. Dude, without record label, Makazi.
Not everyone will blow up.
Listen, Makazi, otherwise you will never own. AKA, otherwise you will never own.
Wait.
Master KG, otherwise you will never own.
Almost every artist.
You get
not
almost every artist.
You can be. Makazi was still coming, and others still coming, but without a proper management and stuff, and whatever that's happening.
No,
not everybody makes it.
No, it's not about proper management. It's about if you are signed with a record label, you are 90% to make it.
Chances to make
Do you know Black Diamond?
Yes.
Without record label, do you know Black Diamond?
After the record label,
Black Diamond, it was Black Diamond.
I don't.
Hey, wait. Where's Black Diamond now?
The artists one by one.
Yes, but
hey,
generalize, yeah.
90% and 5%.
90. Oh, wait, guys. 90% of artists
without this.
Without
recording label.
Recording labels,
there will be no way.
there will be no way.
It goes back to what you were speaking about the issue of royalties and stuff like that.
We're not
against.
We're not.
When you want to enter,
Yes.
Wait. I want to say something.
very difficult, right?
Nema, what are you saying?
Wait. When you must fix your stuff.
Who?
No, the guy who can't mention his name.
even the people who are inside when they
No, wait. I want to say something.
Allow us to
When you must fix your stuff.
Yes.
Wait. When you must fix your stuff.
what's up?
I'm uploading videos.
Okay.
So this week I'm sitting. Man, I have to delete these videos because the money is not going to him.
It's going to you.
No.
Yeah,
I think
it's going.
you're missing the
somewhere.
point. Let me tell you the point.
No.
Let me tell you the point.
Nah,
Yes.
we're gonna come to that one. I'm just gonna pass this through.
Yeah, it's going to a different. Yeah.
YouTube,
Yes,
Baba.
yes.
I upload on
It's
YouTube.
going to a different topic.
No, I upload on YouTube, and then everything I was
It's going to a
uploading,
different topic.
Yeah, these are different.
it was not coming to you.
What I was trying to say is, Namsi Eriza Obakalebul. Mara Rom Dibange Abakami. Kalebul. One. The reason why you need to be now that you're no longer in a label or whatever form of a stable, dude. There's a process and there's always how can I call it?
Red tapes.
A form of rate tapes. There's always rate tape.
We call it
that you need to invest to get past that rate tape.
Not retail. Gatekeepers. Hey,
Gatekeepers.
We
Oh,
have
if you can tell us. Gatekeepers. Gatekeepers.
That one.
Yeah.
It's very easy, allegedly.
Yes. Allegedly.
It's very
Nice
easy.
one.
It's very difficult for you, even if you are the best artist.
Yes.
To actually get your songs being played or come out because now somebody
It's
bribe, right?
10% out of 100.
It's not bribe, it's payola.
Okay, what do I call it? If you come to me,
It's called.
I can't
It doesn't
see
matter, it doesn't
direct from
matter.
you. But if I know connected with these big records,
Yes.
A records, D record,
Yes.
they just come and say we have this new guy.
Yes.
Do this. This is because this
So,
line is already.
See how the Veve got the deal that makes the deal to be the deal.
okay.
So the Veve.
What would I want you?
Now she tells you that.
Yeah. What would I?
The managerial team, the agents, pushed, I think, allegedly, according to the sources, for that gig. But the Veves didn't have Mambere he couldn't get the Mambembes to succeed when it comes to the whole Kizumbe to be exposed. So 8 days were too long So for the veves.
So
You can do it.
Lawyer, I Jen, Ripe.
Abasandele nyana thing.
Yeah.
In terms of the law,
Yes.
it's easy.
A contract.
You can't force
We're
me
talking
to
about
say,
contract.
Yes, you have signed a contract for 3 years.
Yes.
I decide after a year that I'm not going to come to work.
You can do
can't
that.
force me
This
to
one
come.
was a year.
You can. No, I'm
If
just
it
saying,
doesn't
you can't
matter.
force me to come to work. Like you can't.
Yes, you can force me.
performance.
You can
Right?
force me.
If I can't perform, then what you can do after, if I can't come, you can tell we're not going to terminate your contract because you will have terminated your own contract. Right?
Yes.
Then you will at least now
You
have
absconded.
right to sue. You can sue me for
Yes.
damages
Yes.
that you have seen.
Yes.
Suffered for that.
Parapara, I
Then
swear.
within 2 years. You can sue.
Whoever.
The remaining years that I
Yes.
that
Yes.
person can decide. Like in football, you see it with coaches.
Yeah, my baby should just sue.
Wait. But if they're not willing to sue,
Yeah.
I'm free.
Then we can.
Which
go
I'm
on.
free.
There are different contracts, guys.
That's what they say. It's a
Not
normal.
different contracts. We're not contracting in a lump sum. We are must initially sign. Maybe we're going to sign about 1 million.
Okay.
You understand?
Upfront.
Upfront.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That one they can sue.
Aye, when are you in?
But we
Let's
don't know.
refer to radio.
We don't know now.
Let's refer to radio.
In some of the contracts.
We don't know now. We don't know now.
Whether there's lump sum or no lump sum, we can sue you.
But we
Why
don't
I'm
know
saying
in
so,
terms of
because
this
when we-
individual.
I'm not referring to individual.
Yeah.
So when we sign you as a radio DJ now, I'll give example with Metro FM now. They have
Yeah.
sabotage, right?
Yes.
They say for 3 years. I'm just
Yes.
giving example. I don't know. What
Yes.
right?
Yes.
They know they anticipate that we'll have listeners of 3 million per show.
Yes.
So
Three, whatever. Yes.
Consecutive, what?
Yes. So even when they negotiate with sponsors and what do you call the one come
Promoters, advertisers.
we have a guy who can give us 3 million people. So
Yes.
you can sign with us a 3-year deal
Yes.
that you'll be advertising with
Yes.
Venrap Radio for that 3 years. Because on that morning show we have a Nema who can accommodate.
Yes, who can get
3 million.
that
So,
mass
yeah.
listeners.
So when Nema decided to say, no, I'm not doing it, right? Every sponsor will have to hold the radio.
Yes, accountability.
Right. So for radio must hold Nema to say, with that contract we have signed,
Yes.
the estimated what we're going to get is 100 million.
Yes.
So now as you are terminating us here now,
we
Yes.
need that 100 million.
we will need that 100 million because now
100%.
we have to pay back all these other because we have signed it on
Did you do something?
anticipation of only your contract.
Tongoshamba.
Did you do something?
Lawyer, you
Imani.
are
Uthi tanzo lishwa letikwa lirara. Niyabona bathu ba mavudzi machena.
That's how.
Did you do something?
Yes.
Niyabona bathu ba mavudzi machena.
You can always
Na bazura
you say, no, it's like this.
Now, Papa.
Okay, if you
Go
follow
Farapa.
football, Sundowns, you know Sundowns. What is Pitsum Simang.
Pito Msimang.
When he left, he signed a contract. The contract, the negotiator.
You can buy it off, man.
The negotiator said, no.
You can
if
even
if
buy
I
it off.
negotiate you to bring this coach here
Yeah.
for the next coming 4 years with you. Now I need example.
the manager.
I need 10 million. I can bring you this guy for the next 4 years.
He's got a contract.
Then we
with
said,
the-
okay, we'll give you 4 million. Then you bring the guy we sign with, the guy we sign with the agent, right? Within a year, the coach decided I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Now we say, remember, we paid you 10 million that you said this man is going to be here for until
4 years.
4 years. Now you must pay us back 8 million because this guy was only here for 2 years. So the contract, that's how they work.
Yeah.
Vatecheresi.
Hayi bathu wabona bothecheresa.
Vatecheresi. We had an exclusive na lawyer
Muthu anakhomba ndi muthu wa mavudzi machena. Ndi vathu vande kuchena. Ndi vathu va
Our lawyer gave us an exclusive of
just-
how things supposed to be
He just
done.
lawyer.
And then Kwamba, he replied.
Is he just a lawyer or is he a lawyer?
He's the lawyer.
The lawyer.
Oh, okay.
The lawyer. Heaven. Our lawyer give us an exclusive, man.
I'm guys.
Rosip.
No, we've got a lawyer. Man, We have a guest here.
Hey, mona ndoamba ndari hey show ni yenda musi ne.
Special, eh?
It's special.
Very special.
We are going to give you exclusive of whatever.
Don't forget, Mareba is gonna be coming back very soon.
Woo! Ndipo Mareba.
Mara not with that guy.
Which one?
My hemp.
The fuck one.
My hemp is not coming back.
Hey, Lodi
is not coming back.
Lodi Fusa.
No, it's no longer Fusa.
Lodi Fusa will be our producer.
It's no longer Fusa.
It's lady.
Lodi.
But Lodi.
So Lodi udoba a director. Yeah, show.
Can I tell you something? But you don't get. My name is N-E-E-M-A.
Eh?
It's N-E-E-M-A. Nema.
Mara,
when it went wrong on the media.
The name.
When it went wrong on the media.
We call you Nema.
I had to go with the flow and drop at that E because the media got it wrong. My brother advised me like, go with the flow. You know why?
Anything.
Nema now. It's N-E-M-A.
Comedy anything.
What Nema instead of Nema?
Oh, anything Nema.
No, I know you.
N-E-M-A.
No, I know you as a Nema.
No, it's Nema is one thing, just the different is different E. No. I'll tell you.
That's funny.
No, the other one, the one that I was using was N-E-E-M-A. Media forgot to type N-E.
When it's double, it's knee.
Nema.
Yeah. Mara, you know
what?
what?
Nema or PSG. PSG. Nema.
I'm not.
Nema
That is a Y. Nema. Hey, you know this other leg doesn't work.
Why?
The Nema.
It's broken.
Why?
I'm blind.
The one foot is broken. Okay, so
Nema.
There is no saying that.
My guy Nema.
Yeah.
How's that Nema?
No, what I'm
Nema. Do you can dribble Nema?
I use one foot.
I see anyway.
Okay, Bonan. What I'm trying to say, Diori. Finger the names you use on social media and everywhere on the media. Counts a lot. No. I've been only waiting to know and it's very scary.
You need to get what is
Isa was born in Eastern Cape. Isa grew up in Eastern Cape.
Mother root.
Father? What about father?
It doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter. It's like Ricky. Go on. No. If you're not
but he chose to be who he wanted.
I don't know why. I'm getting my belly near Musa. I have a bombezi. But everyone was already what a very miserable. Yeah. Wait. Thank you.
There's two different things.
So one will understand. One bed, that's why he struggles like Venda.
Because there's no anyone in a combat Venda at that moment.
So Isa was born in Eastern Cape, ne?
In Pretoria.
No, you came to Pretoria.
No.
You were born in Pretoria and you went to Eastern Cape, studied there, played soccer there, grew up there, and then you come back to Pretoria. Then you become this Pretoria guy that speak like, hey, Vada say.
Okay.
One thing people.
My parents met in Pretoria.
So one thing. Sorry. Look out for we're not gonna put him on the screen.
People. Thora's
So after Thora, we're gonna have a day with Isa Matthews.
Thora is about to be on the screen.
When it comes to Somizi, allegedly there was another interview that I think I've read or I've heard. Maybe if I go through my thousands magazines here, he spoke about how he was doing what, then they met and stuff, and then she didn't know that he was gay. That thing was like more like a one-night stand stuff, like allegedly. I don't remember where I got that, but it was some years back. I might go through some of my magazine, but I've lost some of magazine. So when he says now that she knew, come on, even if he didn't know, how was he gonna allow if he ain't allowing it now?
So now I've watched the series, right? I've watched whatever Somizi is trying to do. The series can the mini
Show.
Yeah, whatever you can call it. So hamzana kwamba musizana asimuzana mia wana bakwamba ri bone boba pasadibi.
That's what I know.
Vidziwa partyini kana ba text you kana whatever happened. I want you to come to a party, my party, which is Somizi's party. Cool, right? She went to the party, but she had a party. I want you to be
Miss Party.
Miss Party? Okay, cool.
It was 21st birthday. Yes, some song.
So, which means if you're Miss Party, you don't even think about this guy's gay. I'm a lady. I'm being Miss Party. I have a guy. I have a husband. I have a guy. Blah 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 like that. Then we don't know what happened. Maybe when I Miss Party.
It was just
Mara,
once.
we don't know.
Whatever
happened,
it was just once.
Yeah.
And
whatever happened, it happened. Then Omzana atwa aya hayani after the party. Osipozana keke la Miss Party na mina mini la Somizi Party whatever.
I think what's happening is like people don't realize like okay, we didn't have major internet back in the days. Internet was not that strong because I remember like you'll pay 400 to have 35 megabyte.
Yeah. But there are pictures that show that she was there.
Pictures, stuff. He doesn't think Uri maybe there's still evidence of stuff. Goza chikondo. Aitonga mazuro goza chikondo kana kuchikotsa chivanga.
Utudzura matawari uyo. Umba matawari.
Nashimesa dakani. Notisa dakani.
Umba matawari. This one.
Yeah, mara watu mangari na matara.
Thora is in the building.
How are you, man?
Sure.
You good?
Grand.
You know, who forgot Thora? I heard you have a song that dropped. Besides the fact that the people that videos not going perform at the Tegini Moon.
Huh? What do you mean?
The Tega record. Yeah, something like that.
Maybe nazo bazitindinganya nethi zidibe zo.
Yeah.
Abenne ndina nthu yanga ngizibona ine yabori YouTube channel yanga.
Yeah, no, the thing
So,
when I was uploading
I think maybe
I picked up Uri ngona nyimbo za mrao. Dike diwa zikudia copyright ziko ya kantu. Cut that guy. Hey, you can't mention his name here. Yeah, cut that guy. Because that guy, the reason I took down your videos, I'm just going to be honest. Because what he did before, now upload that video na worry, or tracking na worry somebody, or is working with. Hanga to daka hinika na mini kana licheta chrede. No, he takes down the video channel and value. That's how I took down your videos.
Okay.
This one as last week, you need to pick up those things.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, I still need to fix that thing.
Because that motherfucker doesn't like me.
Fix that straight. It's got to fix you.
18 plus.
Yeah. This is not a secret. Even went to my brother Bowman and talked a lot of things there.
No, I have no problem. Those the Dilanas.
Yeah. Because none of the couple of video of Thora. It's really like Mengale. It's their copyright. Qatar. I'm expecting the money to go to him. If given or something, I'm expecting money to go to him. If the Isa, I'm expecting money to go to him. But if somebody and I know he have taken down my videos.
Okay, wait. What if Mama's boy is nowhere? Mara videos I was going to through Mengale.
When you drop your songs in a digital, the copyright picks them up.
Yeah.
And the money get paid to you.
Straight to you.
Okay. So if you upload the video, your original, and another upload them to perform, and that one goes big, all the money comes to you. You control the money. But then there's people that if you put the video online, they'll come and get it taken down. And if you take videos down, I lose my channel.
But Saram Rao and then block a channel, channel.
So
Thora must do his new music.
Yeah.
And then Thora must push new music than previous music because it's already captured. I can put it in that way.
Yeah,
it's already captured.
He has been Guptad.
Yeah, I've been Guptad.
He has been Guptad.
So Thora now, weird. Hachoka.
Anna stable. Atioka recording label.
He has his own record label.
How can you before?
I was in Director Mapoko Music.
So now you're no longer there.
I'm Thora Entertainment.
Thora Entertainment. Not Mathora Majaiva. Thora Entertainment.
Not in you.
Mathora Majaiva.
Or you was Mathora Majaiva.
Hey, they out in this is another good. As far as already carriage in the
no, this guy used to dance and close the street.
Yeah, and then I'll touch Mpisane.
Thora Magic.
Women get away in you.
Mengale. What happened the check?
Mama's boy.
It was that nigga when you walked in, when you meet him. Did I was cube? Which we're going to do up on time. I was having chiwa. I wrote such a chain on. No, Kotamia. I don't remember that's coat.
Thora.
Sure.
From I hear that Uri Ngurno Vakamin Mini.
Yes.
So you've been doing music after no Vakane for many. No Visabin Ubashana.
Ubashanda Baka Hila recording label the Chando Visa only one track which is in track called Hello. Yes. Yeah, in here Hello. I can get some visa still which under Director Mapoko.
Okay.
And then I cannot say I think the visa which under Director Mapoko. So track and visa Hello the visa and Dono Baka Director Mapoko, which is 100% owned by Thora.
Yeah.
And then as the split sheet is in Mana big robs. Yeah, not the artists and big robs. Only big robs. In that way, you understand.
And it's talking about split sheet. Most people don't understand what is a split sheet.
Yes. There's a lot kind of if you are writing a song in studio without a split sheet, like you're doing nothing, guys. The Guman Correa Rimbo. Now one was very who did what, who did that, you understand that. So now one is goodies at that thing, Gore. Chimeshingara Chimara Rimbo or no Fedzano Rimbo. And just the Gurindino Mara or Rimbo.
Yeah.
Because 95 is studio. So you don't know who is the really author Rimbo, you understand. So there are two Sangamanda. There's one Gongara verse and Gongara or author Yongarangani. Amara verse Rangara was one of their two sublime. So that's what I did. Karimbo Ranga Ruswa Nobando Novana experience in Yana.
From this song that you have maybe such in Hello, ne?
Yeah.
What do you think is different from any other song that you have released? Because the Kwamba in terms of this song, ne, the piano nyana, ne?
Yeah.
There's a piano feel and other stuff. So what is the difference between this song and other song that you've released?
Yeah, I've dropped.
Okay, the different about this song, the beat was made in the day that the song was
Nema
recorded.
Venda.
Yeah.
Venda.
No, accommodate. Okay, hello, the different in your repeat it was same time.
Yeah.
And then I recorded my things.
Same time?
Yes.
Seriously?
Like, this was what was the
Karofi winning gay pass.
Big Robs and the Basama Muna.
Big up, Big Robs.
Same time.
Big Robs and the
He's one guy that have been in the music industry.
Like
Big
chiri chachaitira ndichori Big Robs or ndimupe rhythm ya rwimbo ndimuimbele sort of a verse a hook, you understand? And then I did a hook and then he did a beat. And
from
then
your hook,
he
everything transposes from that.
And then from
and
that I get in the song and then I recorded the song. Then I left the song without anything. Then he finished the song himself. No, don't worry. You can accommodate.
Yeah. And he's showing you Shilungo Chawa Achiku primary.
I know the Big Robs and Big Robs are.
Yeah, Big Robs is a legend.
Yeah.
People are starting to know him now.
Yeah, it's a legend, that one.
Nyimbo zina zita
zote. Legendary producer.
Nyimbo zina zita zote zina something zine. Yeah, it has that comfortable.
What's happening? What is this hello? Or it gonna sound like Rhihana saying hello, hello baby.
Yeah.
I got a baby for you.
Okay, kaura rimbo ne rwa hello ne. There is a lot. Una Chizulu, una Xhosa, una Chikhuwa. You understand? So I just thought to ndingasi choose these African languages. Let me choose the one that idovala the languages zote. Ndawana uri kaizo ndi Chikhuwa. You understand? So ndikori hello, ndikori sanbona, ndikori molo. You understand? So it's just greeting like
Molo mhlobo wami.
Yes.
Language
Tshivenda tungochipanga kholo limbo. Ndembesa nga Tshivenda man. The whole song una Tshivenda. Ndembesa nga Tshivenda for the longest time. So
what has inspired you to not ntsengopanga Tshivenda khalimbo la song?
Okay, this song in a target yayo it's
target market.
Target market yayo is not in Limpopo for this song. I have done a lot of songs for Limpopians, for my people. They know that and I can still do more. So for this one I had my own target. Then a target yanga. Nendo rali ndina zvinhu zvinenda vanhu kuzviita ngozvibana. So ndiari ndiko chimbula na vamwe vanhu ndafa vachira anaita rimbo rwa Chizulu kana rusina rwa chimini repertoire so rekoni plaka avo at least vatu vasituchua ruyambo na kono lidza nedza dzanu dzine vadziri vane vadodzipfanga murao. Ngobona if you are not known sa vamwe dzibamwe vaimbi vane vavori va international zvino, it's not easy for you or need the one and perform Eastern Cape but when says so if they don't even hear what you're saying. So they have to understand what you're saying first and then know you and then they can understand whatever you're singing. Even namusi ngapha vachikosokori ndomeya mini vakoimba rwimbo rwamakadzi anenge Eastern Cape mara vasakupfa zvori zvikamburimi because vakomudiva. You understand? For neresa to diveyawo ngada humwe zviyakomba nyana kuzwana. So ndichibuya ndaita rwimbo ndandoriita ngayo target. Una zvimwe zvinhu zvinenda pabhizi ngazo zvine zvizotomutunchanga muJuly yange zvane zvoita uri ndiite nyimbo.
This song is not just a song.
Yeah, it's not just a song.
It's something you cooking.
Yeah, una zvimwe zvinenda kuzvibika.
Mukapu.
Yes, mukapu. Ndiko ndibika, zvikotsvima. Zvikotokhakara, zvikotsvima.
Beside that, right? Thora the artist obviously is a world-known artist. Wadiveya kadzi household rokamba dzindoni dzavatu wadiveya uri kuita umwana wadiveya. So onovisa nyimbo dzine kama
dzingasavhevhe kwajana midhina dzikule.
So Thora wadiveya kadzi household kwambori ndoziyamba zve
midini.
wadiveya midini.
Yeah.
ndifhio luimbo lune Thora wa ḓivhea ngayo kha dzi household dzinḓuni?
Luimbo lo panga Thora zwavhuḓi gaming kha like ubva kha holu lwa tshi to funesiwa nga vhana ndi my chocolate lo ḓala ita zwi ya hula nyana lwa luimbo
Ni ngoma chocolate.
yes
Nandona cherry inofunesa chocolate.
no ri tshi ḓa kha chocolate nṋe ndi blame vhathu ndi ngozwana nda ndo feature B-Town kha my chocolate ndi blame vhathu nṋe a thi ngo ita huku ndi nga si ḓi blame zwa chocolate vhathu ndo vho ṱangana na chocolate tshaweelo zwavhuḓi a thi ḓivhi mara ndi lukanda ya chocolate color nṋe ndi tshi ita my chocolate zwavhuḓi ndo vhidza vhathu ndi ndari vhathu ndi na track nda khou ṱoḓa ita but nṋe ndi na dzi verse no I had the song without a hook you can have a song without a hook now I had a song without a hook ndandi na luimbo ndo no lufedza namusi ri cha studio I just entered the studio I did my thing and then Batodi came in and did his thing you understand so it shows you now I had a song before
ndandorwa dzi verse
mara
dzi verse dzo dzikomba nga mini
dzichikwamba nga lufuno it was a love song and then zoita uri luimbo lujaile na my chocolate ndingori my chocolate is something that people about like we think uri ndisu zvine vhathu vhafumakadzi no vahone ti udzula hone
Thora beside uri mamadziko vahone Thora nimba genre review
ne muzika wanga vafwetu
une categorize
ne vafwetu nne ndimba kwaito vafwetu ne muzika wanga ndi kwaito ndo aluwa ndichitofuna kwaito na mbilu na muya understand kwaito was my music and then muthu ane angari angofuna kwaito zvambori ndi wa 2000 vamatu vangange murau rope vatu vasafuni kwaito ndi va sorry va 2000 mara ndikwamburi bewe nichisara nichitanya mapaputso vasichaimba mara ndozviwa so
chori achifuni kwaito chigwena vachiona hwahwa ane vasikuguva chipuraki china ndala rugwanura achiguva rwarugwa nechiveyapa chikunogwikisa geti chiwawa ujaka wachifona chatayati kwarikodhorumaini ti
avo bani vakumbulidzi njala
dziona ka nyimbo dzanu
nyimbo dzanga dzihone kha channel yanga ya YouTube dzihone kha channel dza online ihone kha zwavhuḓi nne ndo to ḓivhudza zwa zwino uri nyimbo dzanga dzine nda ḓo dzi promota ndi nyimbo dze ndi si dzi bvisa kha director maboko azwo zwino ndi koto zwiamba nga mahala dzine thingo dzi bvisa kha director maboko athicheho kha director maboko so dzi nyimbo dzine nne nda ḓa ndi khou dzi phusha ndi dzine like athingo dzi bvisa ndi kha director maboko nne kha luimbo kha nyimbo dzanga dza zwino ndo bvisa luimbo ende ndo bvisa nga mahala so that vhathu vanga vha zwipfa uri Thora tshihone ngozivana ngori ndi kale nyana o relax luimbo lwa hello lu hone kha we do this ndi channel ya free download we do this lu hone kha YouTube kha channel ya Thora kha channel ya Thora lu hone Thora SA lu hone na musi arali vha tshi khou ṱoḓa zwavhuḓi vha ito na musi
nga WhatsApp lu hone
nga WhatsApp luimbo kha WhatsApp
no ḓori
yevana una free download na ṱoḓa WhatsApp just ask me for a link guys
we do this I need now WhatsApp ya muthu
no khombeleni link ni download luimbo
we do this yani
from understand nduri vhathu vhashu vewe ri vhulaisa nga tshithu tshithihi muthu o bvisa luimbo ngori ṱoḓa nga WhatsApp kha audio o bvisa luimbo lune o bvisa for free so ndi adzudza uri ni vha ni khou renga free nduri ni fa tshanḓa na vha ni tshi khou ṱoḓa tshanḓa tsho fhelela mara vhathu vha tshi
na mbabvu na madabu
so ndi ane mafhungo ngozibona so arali ndo bvisa luimbo ndo fha vhathu for free just go kha dzi link arali ni sa khou iwana link ni ya humbela khombela link rinipe link ni download understand
the poster ka
We do the
anesa ngapasi
Yeah.
ngapasi
yeah
Thora so ni rimini kha batho bene muzika wanu bari ho muzika ruwani muzika wanu we are reference kwaito nyaka muzika wa kwaito na mimi za venda ngori obviously kwaito yone jozi na mina mara ya venda aiko ono wanala yakonda wana so ni rimini timini gavini ongarangara rina out ine inga Thora zwino Thora ni rimini zwino kha batho baso
okay plan yanga vari ndeibvisa hapa zvino ndova ndina imwe album inofi wine yendaibvisa I think 2015 so ndichibvisa la album aisishume zvavudi according to naingoshume zvavudi so there are songs dzine ndakanyaga kudzibikurura inga chitaira chachiswa
remake
no ambaso zviraro ini uri remake ndizviraro urimake ndikanyaga kudzibikurura ngachitaira chiswa na sound ntsva but it can be same lyrics but in a new sound you understand so because ndozvora zvira hela album auna yayahone yosvika yastaka hone so ndikanyaga kuti nditoitoma ngausa una ruimbo rundarufuna but unosvika nichinyita so that song yo arari ndova ndoita that song in this time ngasound yazvino
I don't think that song doesn't even need a new sound. It just need a proper marketing.
Yeah, so ore rimbo ngandira nolava ngayo ndikanyaga ndingazondipota tolo remake zvaudiwudi because there is a lot behind that song ndingarifani chiri wine chinyita so mwana usiri zvenatoitiwa zvimwe chimwe chipinga zvimwe zvithu ndivanikotozvivona zvikuitiwa zvikure naini zvanisondera because samungana wanu orala arari mungana wanu anaini achiniamba ngaini yangange understand so there is a lot bongo ndibafumakadzi ngahafa kuzwana una zvinhu zvinji zvine ndipotozvipanga kaela kadziverse dzanga musi ndichilo remake understand so ndogudesa zvinhu zvinji ende ndavona sori I can do more nga that song and ule ruimbo ndingarubuyisa rwadhova rava hiti kurunga manda ine no push rasingopush ule ruimbo runa na airplane and T understand which is very wrong according to Kasite because of the quality of the song was not good.
No, I know the song.
Yeah, the quality of the song was
not
good.
Song.
Understand.
I saw you perform it.
Yeah.
I'll
perform a vele I'll perform no madiva wele abana madiva wele nerarwa rishwa majaiva na fetu narachibvisa chikoronga 12 afa level 1 afa chawero atovya torwa 12 fedzi uchibva lunchini chobva ndo varovhura sekelo kurwa dzichovhicho ange
mara ndinodona gwinyedza ngene dandira
ugwinyedza ni
kambore majaivi
producer
majaivi angasikhere majaivi angasikhere utovoriti zvino mujaivo zvavudi vathu ari understand uri jaivi sahani navidza Thora nga sound ya nduni angasi jaive ofana musako jaive angala mapika ramaulwana abes mujaive vaka sound guys arali ni mujaive sound unasaifila you can't dance namse chifini jaive sahani like in those weeks
sande ndakojaiva munenge muti naronga mapika ramaulwana
no ana pain and tafara
ndinambudziso ala majaive nani charwa mavele ngei
ala aranda ya mavele ndingavuyisa tini nukanguri ndarwa mavele zvanguri una zvine zvavahone ya mavele so zvila zvendandava ndonamela ntadzi tsimbi dza mavele afa umwe dziva dzisiwo dzitsimbi arali dzionamela
ndasona badala geteni wona ako ngontwai abona kombadalisa futhi mara zori Mosby
Records Mosby we do this Zelinga we do this is another thing.
No, we do this is something else.
You do this is not a recording out. It's not a recording.
Mama une mvula ya 9
We do this as a recording label according to my understanding at the moment.
It's the hustlers' territory.
Yeah, it's our territory.
We're still doing this.
Dichipaza.
Yeah.
We are doing this.
Chipaza chiyashuma opera shop khulwane.
I'm a good thing, eh?
ShopRite. Good as pass, as we know.
Yes. Why wo umela zviphazani?
That's why
Why does not channel do zviphazani? Ngori muthu angasi venduni arenga roto ShopRite. Ali chachiphazani.
we do this.
Nomufa Thora bafethu. Thora bajiga.
Check his music.
Yeah.
We do this.
Bajiga. Nomufa.
Thora majaiva.
Mara ndikofanga chipinga chera vanacho na Thora nechitukusa man.
Nah.
Hi.
We
Thora
Thora family.
Thora is going to come back.
There's people that are family. That
That
can show up anytime. Dude.
Yeah.
He's hungry, he's waiting for the liver. And we need to cook pap.
Thora before Njivaya ne. Hello. Iga.
Okay. Hello ione ka YouTube channel ya Thora ne. Kuna YouTube channel ya Thora, siri YouTube channel ingwe ingwe ya Thora. It's original there, it's an official audio ka Thora. And then ione ka we do this. Arali vato dana ka page dzanga ka page ya Thora majiga ya personal na page yanga ya Thora SA. Vado dziwana the link. Arali vako dzitoda va inbox va DM ya fala. Naka Instagram di Thora majiga. Va DM abe ana maduba naka Twitter kana ifi tweet
ni wana mimba chivima nkodo SA usiro runa mankodo mwo wa guy
usiye
ne langa dzina Thora lo dalanga manda kai social media Thora lo dalanga manda
Thora va aragdo madoro.
And arali vashiko kuzvibelievers zvino avaye kachimwana chimwe kana ka Facebook kana kamin vasvika vari Thora vadozwa there is a lot.
No.
ndingazondoipa chifani
kana vari
Thora
madoro mutaresa mara Thora from Madoro. It's him. Come on. Yeah. Hey,
una Thora wakati nongei ndiye
una Thora China China nenge and I am zvine narako yamba
zo. Thank you guys for tuning into Street Talk podcast. Producer yashu onobaiza onovhunda murenje agrimeza kuvuda ngafonda matsini so arangadamba zvinginga haye and vachivanga men Gaily and I wanted to Mr. G mabudzia watu akuna zori ndile mabudzia na vagera vakwata zvapa ndichiripoto so nete ngamba zvitu ndiduka swadi mwana ndi wa maungoni ndi Nema ndina Thora ndina men Gaily na Isa Matthews na Mr. Raso
Mr. Lawyers here.
And the next show we need a doctor to tell us mutu nozvira kurunda rita miningai
kutokiwa.
Anyway, that is there.